Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning some tech phrasal verbs that will help you talk about using devices, computers, and more. These verbs are super handy in your everyday conversations. So let's not waste any time and start the lesson. But before that, hit the subscribe button below, give this video a thumbs up. Let's start. Repeat each phrasal verb out loud. The first one is log in. Log in. Log in. When you log in, it means you enter your username and password to access an account. Think about when you use social media or your email. You need to log in first. For example, to check your messages, you need to log into your account first. It's the opposite of log out. Log out. Log out. When you finish using your account, you log out to keep it secure. So logging out protects your information. For example, before you leave the computer, remember to log out of your account. Next is boot up. Boot up. Boot up. Boot up means to start a computer or device. When you start your laptop, it goes through a process called booting up before it is ready to use. For example, it takes a few seconds for my computer to boot up in the morning. Next phrasal verb is shut down. Shut down. Shut down. It means to completely turn off a device. After a long day of work, it's necessary to shut down your computer to save energy. For example, don't forget to shut down your computer when you're done working. Up next is plug in. Plug in. Plug in. When you plug in a device, you connect it to a power source or another device. It's super useful when talking about charging or using electronics. For example, my phone battery is low, so I'm going to plug it into charge. I'm sure you know the next phrasal verb. It's turn on. Turn on. Turn on. Yeah, it means to switch on a device like a TV, a laptop, computer, phone, whatever we do every day with the devices around us. Can you make an example with it in the comments? Also, write the opposite. What is the opposite of turn on? You know it. Write it down in comments and make an example with it. Next phrasal verb is hook up. Hook up. Hook up. It means to connect one device to another. You may hook up your laptop to a projector for a presentation or to a monitor for a bigger screen. For example, can you help me hook up my laptop to the TV? Up next is power up. Power up. Power up. It means to give power to a device so that it can start working. Very commonly used when you're charging a device or setting it up for the first time. It's very similar to boot up. For example, the device will take a few seconds to power up after you press the button. Alright, let's quickly recap the phrasal verbs we learned today. Log in. Log out. Boot up. Shut down. Plug in. Turn on. And its opposite. Hook up. Power up. Each of these phrasal verbs can make it easier to talk about technology and devices every day. Now, to make these phrasal verbs stick, I have a quiz for you. I'll ask you a question and you'll try to say the correct phrasal verb. Are you ready? What do you do first when you want to use your account? Yes, log in. If you're finished working on your computer, what should you do? Exactly, shut down. Your friend asks for help connecting their laptop to a projector. What phrasal verb would they use? Yes, hook up. You just bought a new phone. Before you can use it, what do you need to do? Did you say power up? And the last one. Your phone battery is almost empty. What should you do to give it more power? Yes, plug in. Great job! Excellent! Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get a notification for new uploads. I'll be back very soon with more lessons and videos. Bye bye!